Hey, future English experts everywhere. If you're tired of the same old boring language lessons, get ready because today I'm gonna show you how 2 hours a day can transform your English in just 6 months. Yes, it's that simple. The big question, why 2 hours a day? So, why 2 hours a day sounds like a lot, right? Well, not really. If you break it down, it's just one solid hour in the morning and one in the evening. That's 120 minutes of you becoming fluent in English. And the best part, guess what? You're gonna see real results fast. Method number one, make English everywhere. Let's kick it over the immersion. Imagine this, you wake up in an English world. You're listening to a podcast while you're getting ready, watching a TV show during lunch, reading a book in English before bed, or scrolling all the time in English social media. Wow, English all around you. It doesn't feel like studying, it feels like living, and that's my point. Method number two, speaking like a native. Now let's talk speaking. This is where you can truly unleash your inner language star. You don't need perfect grammar, just speak. You can talk to any language partner, or you can find any friend to speak with all the time in English. Even if you don't have anyone to talk to, you can talk to yourself in the mirror. And remember, the more you talk, the faster you'll speak like a native. Method number three, make vocabulary stick. Let's take your vocabulary to the next level. Imagine learning 10 new words a day. It doesn't sound much, right? But trust me, after a month, that's 300 words. Now, that's a serious vocabulary boost. And here is the secret, use them in context, not just memorization. Create your own stories and own those words. Method number four, grammar without tears. Grammar doesn't have to be scary. You know what? You're gonna learn it the funniest way ever. Instead of staring at boring rules, let's learn grammar through examples, through real life conversations. We'll take the rules and make them come alive in real life situations. And trust me, it will click. The secret sauce, consistency. Okay, here is the magic ingredient, consistency. Just like getting fit, learning English is about showing up every day. It's not about how long you study, it's about how consistently you show up. Remember, 2 hours a day, and you will be shocked by how fast your English will improve. Now, here is an important tip. Now, I want to give you an important piece of advice. Don't rely too much on Google Translate or any translation apps. When you're learning English, especially when translating from your native language, this might seem easy, but it actually slows down your thinking process and makes you translate back to your native language in your mind, delaying your speaking ability. Instead, try using word symbols or images to represent the meanings. This way, your brain will learn to think in a direct way in English, which speeds up your speaking and comprehension. And thank you a lot for listening to this short podcast.